Okay.
Uh-oh.
Close your eyes and eat that all.
This is hot.
Iya, tama ka.
Oh, may atuta! Tabaho yan.
Something hit my forehead.
Yeah. Close your eyes, eat that all. Eat it all.
Tastes like a chicken egg. You gotta take a big bite.
Yeah.
With bones.
Huwag mo magtingnan. Don't look at it.
Even though I've never had it before.
Yeah. You.
Look
Bigyan mo kasi. Kasi.
Do we have salt?
Ito, meron.
Hindi, meron ko yan.
Can you eat this? Oh, may
Yeah.
salt.
That is the bato.
Matigas yan.
That's the white of
Oh. Asin.
That's all.
Konti lang, yan.
Bato ko na ka.
Don't eat that. It's too hard.
Don't.
Yeah.
Saka vinegar.
The dog food.
Yan.
Baka kinakain ni Bella ang spell.
Nagbabalat po.
Penoy pala kay Bella. Penoy yan.
Bella, ito ka. Oh, Bella.
Ayoko. Stop recording.
Come on, I just wanna see your reaction. How you Bella. Balot at Bella.
Sarap.
Ano?
Anong lasa?
Not bad.
Babe, you eat the chicken. Poor chicken. You killed the chicken. I'm just kidding. Close your eyes and eat that one. It's delicious. Iba kuya Radan eh. Look at red.
Sabay mo na lahat. Lalagyan mo nito.
Yeah, put salt.
Bakit bumibili akong balot?
Mahilig sa balot din si kuya Red.
Kumakain
Take off the...
Pag Saturday, bumibili ako sa farmer's market ng balot, kaya ay sanay.
Kaya
kumain ng
pala.
balot.
Yan,
You like-
Kami dalawa kumakain.
Oh, be careful. Just eat. Don't look.
Take your time.
Make a wish, Rolf.
Hey, take my time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow!
Enjoy it.
Wow. Oh.
Enjoy ka na.
Now you're Filipino.
Pati yata ba?
Michelle.
Oh, what's the taste? How is it? Sounds good.
I
Tastes
love
even better. How is it? There's more.
I know, but I'm trying to get the shell off. I mean,
Now you're more Filipino than I am.
Yeah, you don't eat balot.
this is my first balot.
Yeah. Now, don't tell me we have to go to farmer's market and buy balot.
No, I'm not gonna go.
You don't want to go farmer's market?
No.
Penoy.
The what?
You know sisiu. Penoy.
It's like a soft boiled egg.
Whoa.
Mom, what is